this is how you work with an avocado. Así es como se trabaja con una palta. Let's hope it's good. Avocado. Yeah, it's not the best, but like anyway, this one's probably better. Yeah, they're not the best, but we're still gonna use them. Vamos a usarla igual aunque no sean las mejores. This is how you take the pit, right? Si le sacas el cuesco. If you are gonna use just half of the avocado, si vas a usar solamente la mitad, save the one with the pit. That one will usually last longer. The other way is to rub it with oil and it would oxidize slower. Si vas a usar solamente una mitad de la palta, guarda la mitad que tenga el cuesco, que va a durar un poco más. Y lo otro es que la eches un poco de aceite y así se va a oxidar más lento. Getting the meat of the avocado. One is with a spoon. Una es con una cuchara. Like that. The other way. It depends on what you want to do, right? Depende de lo que vayas a hacer, pero la otra forma es así. Le cortas acá la mitad. Just peel it like this. Yeah, I wish they were better looking, but this is reality. Ahora se viera mejor, pero la realidad es esta.